Hey there, home cooks. Are you tired of juggling multiple meals at once? I know I am. And that's why I'm excited to share with you this amazing dual air fryer. It's a game changer for families and home cooks alike. Trust me. This is a dual air fryer designed to make your life easier. It's a kitchen appliance that's here to revolutionize the way you cook. It has a massive 9-quart capacity, which is huge, and it can reach a max temp of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That's really hot, and it's all powered by a reliable DC motor, which is great. The spec breakdown is really impressive, with 6 different functions, including roast, bake, grill, and of course, air fry. So you can cook a variety of meals, from crispy fries to roasted vegetables, and even baked goods. The best part is the baskets are PFAS-free, so you don't have to worry about any harsh chemicals, and when you're done, just throw them in the dishwasher. They're safe to clean. I've been using it for a while now, and it's been a lifesaver. I can cook 2 meals at the same time. It's so convenient. I can make dinner for my family and prep a meal for the next day at the same time. It's a huge time saver. In real-world use, I've found that this dual air fryer is perfect for busy weeknights when I need to get dinner on the table quickly. I can throw some chicken and veggies in one basket and some sweet potato fries in the other, and have a complete meal ready in no time. It's also great for meal prep. I can cook a big batch of chicken or rice, and then portion it out for the rest of the week. The air fryer function is also amazing. It makes the crispiest fries and chicken wings without all the extra oil. I've also experimented with some more complex recipes, like cooking a whole chicken in one basket and some roasted vegetables in the other, and it turned out amazing. The chicken was juicy and flavorful, and the veggies were tender and caramelized. I've even used it to make some delicious desserts, like baked apples and cinnamon sugar donuts. The possibilities are endless, and I'm still discovering new ways to use it. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. It's a great product, and I think you'll love it. The only downside is the price, but trust me, it's worth it. The quality and performance are top-notch, and it's built to last. If you're in the market for a new air fryer, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. If you found this review helpful, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking, and I'll catch you all later. Take care, and don't forget to check out some of my other reviews. I've got a lot of great content coming up, so stay tuned, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks again, and happy cooking.